If you come in, may can say almost about 14 to 15 members of parliament. Dodo no ewo Ghana and then mixing former flag bearer to Eastern region, and these are MPs from the Eastern region. Yes, and we are also going to also support and make a case for the BIE Jinano. Nya Jane there, and the Omo Kunina, Sana Mekano, Omuna MPP at this year. When you'll be and why I believe that Dr. Bawumia presents a strategic choice for the MPP. We may disagree, but when we disagree, also no reasons. That is how we can build a party. MPP I don't think that this vetting committee but finding anything extraordinary, they are considered this will be acquaintance. Because they are all distinguished members of our party. And we should be any and the confidence. It gives me the sense to say we are so comfortable. Dr. Bawumia believes that he gave good answers to the questions that he was and also the minister being to the vetting committee. First of all, I can't answer it is not a policy. And it is not also a program of action. It is a wake-up call and a call to action.
Abusia Honorable Kana Kumpra Ku Japan as radio Kupimu e won camp and the tita phone na eni anje ya umse atoshirima wo mubo sese ni nyina ne se enkunimdie akọ e de ama honorable anisa esa ensem bi asami ewuku ababe kana nyina enim se sami ewuku so owo Dr. Muhammad Bawumia camp na ya endorsement fra e course so e wo Eastern Region 15 MPC omo e ko endorse Dr. Muhammad Bawumia sami ewuku is one of them and we say e ba se wo no ababo bonten na wo be kasa na kamia se wo charge say Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne campaign na wo mo ne kamia se campaign na se wo mo nhyeda ehusi ye papa eno na maken e Japan ne nkofo ego hire ka se we de ne fala o mafa ne culture pokra mu nsem na me de e ba besum na message so me subscribe no so e too much gh aya kai so de be on be kan so no upload ni tum fe woni first person ya on se de kan aka na maka fu back cetera so e de amon match say se wo pe bag papa wo pe bag a efe bag ti apo bag kasa de ani nyina any bag cetera mo numbers no go screen na se omo ka so aka kraba omo ni KFC na de hwe ni mu fa na ni omo ni ko bia wo ko bi on benya ho bag e de ama abusia akaka krabi akatu na bro na afi MPP4 e de wo maba no ahyehye so na ne sese de campaign ya na eye kese eni breba na eba na sabre sami ewuku e na de ensem bi ababatudwa e de fa Dr. Muhammad Bawumia e campaign no e ho a wo kire se wa tete se Ghana for e kire se aka 9 po se ai aka 9 pe no wo kan di kana wo kan nipa na asem na wo kan bone na wo kan bone no na ne nyina no eye kwan a wo fa so e de eboa na sa ensemi o de tudwa e wo OKFM abra na kwa Nkrumah tikase eti adwam na ye bisa ne nsem na ensem na sami ewuku e kana busua na bibia e dia da se e kamia se Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne camp no wo mu e breye pa Honorable Kana Kumpra Ku Japan e camp no na enema e koyi e de moment no na gara fo tre se ensem de ayem wo yi pa ma yenko ni nkotie se ne sami ewuku de ensem no eti udwafai
na mami we enkomodie no ya na eginade ben so pa
Kwame, akonya to ade shepherd. Dr. Bawumia will be taking his case to the delegates. About one I call you know, anye ye na so no on na odieni. Say oni esi ahine forces kosia. Na ode nasem to omonim. E be ko ye obeka ho asem. E do gidi se shemu kena obeka ho asem. Ye mu bi so no beka sabi. Na me pese na preempt ni amani bi amebo boso. Penifoni bi so e di na chi the honorable upon Nkrumah. So the honorable Frank cannot dumpre the honorable Ida Ajoyce. We almost na na sibedwen for mu region ho. The honorable Michael Ochebesi, the honorable Kingsley Ajiman, the honorable Kofi Ahenkra Mafo, the honorable Kwame Apia Kudia. I'm the number one member constituency saying Sehon Chinama Ayediama. Kwame.
Ba jo mi ti o pa.
the Honorable Lorette Asante, the Honorable Duke Oforiata, the Honorable Nana Ampawa de Frempong, me myself, I say so no, Chimoda MP, and me KD MP, the Momo Wakwen from. Now,
Honorable Ajari.
Yes, I may a Kedi quite brim, or not so acquainted, but also can't Jumadia Yedi home, or may at Chimoda MP now.
Hey, Honorable Ajari, or a tough guy, who say? Can you make New York or no Nigeria or Diminam Town?
We are a
tough guy. Aye.
If you come in, may can say almost about 14 to 15 members of parliament. Dodo Nwano Ewo Ghana and then Nixon former flag bearer at Eastern region. And these are MPs from the Eastern region. Yes, and we are also going to also support and make a case for the BIE Janano. Nya join there ni omo moko nyina sa na meka no omo na MPP adehye uni obi nya dwe nya tendede but make a case why you think it should be this person or that person. That case now yemu bigidi say it should be Dr. Bawumia. That's the reason why I hear call because if he said after we have a party to build and we will need everybody on board to build this party. See Kasanin Bete Kasa Ibu. It is an internal contest. And may the MPP delegates also have a favorable consideration of Dr. Bawumia. Kwame, about why I call him. Nipa to Aba, and now man to Aba for varied reasons. Obi wa hono moa, sebe mprediasa. Now ye jumebi. Ewo yemfane se financial institution. If they are the banking sector clean up by or a part in India by managing Nejima. Any panel, if they are not buying team upon say you see the bank, but the ripple effect and say, oh, you soon Nejima fail. Any panel be the Yaudi and Kwanko Tuaba. That decision I want Kwanko Tuaba. It will have nothing to do with Mamprusi or Kusasi, Christian or Muslim. Not nothing. It purely based on the pocket economy. Who on more a party? The bat should be workers a moi or a frep and mubia when you are the many answer the Mebanian school be young funny. For a party, Fayano, a decision, Amawan Kotuaba. That decision won't mean link it to whether you're Muslim. I'm asking you no dear enemy a Christian. I'm asking you no dear enemy a Kusasi. And or Dagomba and Amampus. It was a decision on who did it, let's say, kind of party one, but party done in it. Yeah, no, so see one more. You on more, you put over about police station. So did it say, Sabe, in Penifon Kwaku show the time, I am friendly. Or I can do when it seems said, you pediatra. A year, the beer, the party will be an on Nipaka Krabi Pen on Monsaka. This other panel is a and one to mapper. That is the same thing from the post. We talked about it. It's not because we are not the enemy man to see or Kusasi. We go on one, or I should say, dear Samioku, away Nelly. But now reception, Yamos Samio who come and answer if the acquirement commit can see or reception. When you're Samio, maybe you are any panel the Yao asking, and said, none of the dear here, me and I'm a shisha from me. Dia menyano sabia na do amwa na monko to maba sani pano the decision to stay away from the polls it can all land it on Bawumia but on na wakodi ani nti edi ni na ye si amwan church and yemani bi say sabe will be throwing the baby away with the bad water ti kwame afei so obi ana me be ya den se entities on electoral advantage they will have over the NBC going into 2028. Let's say, as for Sabah, they quantify the number of them. 96. Yeah, the President Kufoko Yanye, the wisdom in consistency. Yeah, the President Kufoko will be in 2000. 96 when you are 39%. The party for Esa Bonichidom and Mujidi and then a coy in the year 2000. Then I first smiled on him at the abandoned to me in 2004. Professor Nelson President Kufoko 2000 and NBC this year SNP and your prof in your phone kaka. Since I'm finding could be 204 year man, about 208 can afford to Obama Professor Mel. 2012 Yankopon in his own infinite wisdom, a man penny. 2016 Ghana for another so on the prof called 20,000 and 208 2012 2016 Mahama versus Akufo-Addo. Ghana for Akufo-Addo has been consistent on the ballot. Yem1 near no also near my pa in winning. Obi bia not to about in 204. Nani Pano was to about 4 times and Shani Pano would have seen President Mahama on the ballot for 4 times. Mahama him on the ballot in 2012. Mahama him on the ballot in 2016. Mahama him on the ballot in 2020. You know, say who Mahama him on the ballot in 2024. So it was a familiar face for the person on the ballot. A new face that voter was seeing was Bawumia, even though he had been running mate. Kwame, running mate is never on the ballot. The amount of ballot paper no one. Who are the presidential candidates? Ghana for the 2 minutes on sir. Yeah, 7 previous. Now you walk any on the ballot, on the tickets. Hey, you're running mate. Nana Kubu mine. And then so I yebu akunta. Ye kase. To me, I yedema Akufo-Addo, yedema Mel, yedema Mahama, yedema John Ajekum Kufuor, and the Rollins. No, so BBI now to about for 4 times since 2012 to 2024. Well, it's President Mahama 4 times. Now, Dr. Bawumia was the first time he was meeting him on the ballot. So we did in 2028, Mahama won't be on the ballot. But Dr. Bawumia, Nyamiya Adomia, the next ballot paper next one. Ghana for the short some because pay be and Yama pay Unimono. Yamono so Akunya no mamma. Come here, no num in Kayan. Unam Grasse, and Nam Crocus and Crocipua. Nipa Minuna tells them for show t-shirts. 7 previous other kind of crap. If that's what we want to Nipano, who on my Senekeke or some Mahama t-shirts. And I thought about me a t-shirt. And you told me that you. I don't know consider the enemy about me at your name. And I thought Mahama t-shirt. These 2 people are still advertising for people. No advertising for Mahama, no. Unconsciously, if you need Mahama won't be on the ballot in 2028. But the Nomia Tadia. But no Sabawumia Tadia, no go so advertising Sabawumia said, Papay, Monian Kaini in 2028. Say the Amako constituency, there's no constituency in Ghana t-shirts of Bawumia. There's no electoral area in Ghana t-shirts of Bawumia. And a mini billboards or billboards. In fact, the Asadi constituency, and I'm printing even 1,000 t-shirts. At the other time, I printed 600. Not 400, no, so it's a if you have more year for my Juma. So you have from 1 year, 5 years to my areas. Personally, the decision to support Bawumia is born out of some of these strategic reasons. That's notwithstanding. That is my opinion. That is some of the things I'll be sharing with the delegates as well. Although also an agent, it is a name supported Papa way and answer Penny way. No, no necessary reasons. So you say, yeah, the choir, but we are not in the day. We are sharing opinion and why I believe that Dr. Bawumia presents a strategic choice for the MPP. We may disagree, but when we disagree, also not solve reasons. That is how we can build a party. If you put beside me and pay for me, bench and ball, if you are seeing now coming from my tickets here, and only any idea, you did say, you have a double.
Na eno asuveti no na eto say aspirants no.
Come say NPP telephone na no kwedi nyame anim. Omo na anim be. I don't think that this vetting committee be finding anything extraordinary. Yeah, they are considered this will be acquaintance. because they are all distinguished members of our party. And the Omuna Supie Baye, we should be any and the confidence. It gives me the sense to say we were comfortable. Dr. Bawumia believes that he gave good answers to the questions that he was asked. And also the minister have been to the vetting committee on why he believes he'll be his best prepared and the most formidable candidate for the MPP going into 2020 elections.
What the comments be a yana and cophobia any mumu campono, eka some bakun yese muse aka 9 pe. And one say election be an dynamics and con and war any examokas aka 9 pe and this was because any said the any bakusu cry say so party nankasa born who in a candidate in Amon Homodin. What it in some way to say?
Well, first of all, aka 9 pe it is not a policy. And it is not also a program of action. It is a wake-up call and a call to action. About to be on the dynamics, yes. Our control BC and our control social. But Kwame, you have the market at the banner when you're 40% and are 41%. Pass mark near 50. In social, the whole results are by. You are sure baby one more home. They are very easy for you to fill in. Work on that weakness. Now they are copying to write another exam. It is different from also us. We are also setting the exam for the first time. And work on the anxiety. And emu is through. And they send a wound how the feeling is different. The Akama panel about will be they will move the counting start from 1. But I'm not about to hear in spite of the challenges we face as a party and government, called the US of many governments all over the world lost. The Akama for me, my understanding of it is that it is a clarion call. In spite of challenges I go through now, it's me about 41%. With a little effort and push, this party can cross the dreaded 50%. You know, about in 2024, either the person was a die-hard party person in Sumo, a Yemo, and Anthony Pano was a big fan of Dr. Bawumia, and I believe in the fact that Dr. Bawumia will make a good president. Into this time, combined effort, it gives you that almost 42%. Now that the actual exam talk aha utinye, aha so improve upon it, aha so you see we have our homework make one. That 9% when you have to get a 50% mark no class 1 mark. Namia wadoma you should be able to cross. Nani bibi. Yet omanu ha obi the keke across the election. The more you talk about your opponent's slogan, then that means you have been moved by the slogan. And that is why when MPP were talking about a 24-hour economy, I thought that we shouldn't have even spoken about it. Because the more you are talking about it, you're not but once your opponents are talking about K90, that means it's a winning slogan. Why? Make up for National Youth Organizer. They can't interest in their children. What kind of slogan?
Boys are breno.
Fantastic. Everything a new program. New policy. But maybe boys are brave by that boys are breno. It didn't come from you. It came from the ground. From the ground. The youth organizer then for Dentania friend Baba Tofik.
Baba Tofik.
Of the able command of them. Sister media. Boys are brave. Boys are brena. Yan Kenya Hona is Jumadin find it to me. It's shaking me. So call them something of Baba. No boys are brave. Okay, it can be a rallying call for Mantier to get up. The first Facebook page post I made was door to door. And this 10 minutes, not response, but the people said girls are brave. Coming, me born rock communities, ma. And me want to be one. I want to buy Sabreno. And that boy in Kwana Bro, and me was so abre. Then I'm saying Kokra so abre. So that boy Sabre became a household slogan. And my name is Guru. And so, this had the boy, I Kaida, boy Sabre, so Kaida song now.
I
Kaida. Obey Winnie is a song of the year. The year of the year.
Guru.
It's Kwame. May pan and come on the other side, I would have left, I won't comment on the account. Because you are psychologically also telling your followers, as I'm Sam Okotroy and 41 Unaya. Tianyama Kakraka home. Not say, yeah, between 9% now at the close. And for me, I feel meaning that if you buy the account, but no, they buy, I think it's a bono about. It is not a policy of Dr. Baumia. It is not a program of Dr. Baumia, but it's a psychological wake-up call. I say a party for no say that the Kujina with the little push and support. Because then NDC for because and then what they forget is that Mama an analogy. They say no uncle for me only 2 T-shirts and they are likely to wear any after September 2025. That's also old John Mahama T-shirts and that's also old Baumia T-shirts. These two people, they will never lock horns again on the ballot paper. Never. Come on, Kwaba to be together. Bakope, when I like to solve a Kwaba to. If you need T-shirts, every election is about the future, not the past.
But I be at the Omni Babans, none more day.
But just say,
I be at the Omni Babano, none more day.
Oh, it will either be a walk or a tall candidate. Either the person will be a touring candidate or a walking candidate.
Okay.
Then this most sorry. Either you are joining the National Chairman's Store or you are joining Julius's work. They are not they are full autopilot. But then you see it. Then the person will focus on the NDC's internal primaries. As for the governance issues, we will focus on. But on internal politics, we have enough time to discuss the work or the talk.
I will say, and some of the Apapoti about messages over our comments, our comment section for the Amamina fee. When we are subscribers and so too much GHI so the brown Rebecca was upload me to the first person the answer can all the social media platforms so call too much GH subscribe no like no share now for phone so any be dark gold and I'm just so your essential.